Hello. Today we're gonna deal with starting batteries on the motor vessel SeaWitch. Due to my previous configuration, I'm currently using 4 golf carts, 220 amp hours each batteries for starting battery. Not the optimal configuration, but it's been working for years. So due to the space availability, I'm kind of sticking to it. I need 24 volt for starting. Therefore, I either need 2 4D size batteries, or larger obviously, or in this case I'm using, as I said, 4 golf carts. The batteries are located in the battery compartment here, which at the moment is fairly crowded. You can see 4 batteries in 2 battery boxes. The best thing about those batteries is that I'm using a battery watering system, which allows me to hook up to the batteries. My starting batteries are located in those 2 here we go, plastic boxes with lids in there, so tied down with here, very strong. I can pump water, and all of the cells are connected into one. They're tied down by this basically strap. What this allows me to do is from here I have distilled or deionized water in the batteries, which is connected to top up to the levels without all the cells of the batteries. Here underneath you see number 1 lithium battery right here. This is number 2 lithium battery. This is number 3 lithium battery, and here above we have number 4 lithium battery, negative bus, and above that's my positive bus, and this here is my charging bus. So I have 2 relays which control charging and discharging bus, and my system that basically reads the values from the lithium ion batteries and reacts accordingly with in cases of emergency, either stops the charging or the discharging bus, or both. So this is basic setup here, and I will go one day over that in details. And here in the aft stateroom is my electrical cabinet. One of the unfortunate things is that the inverter makes buzzing noise, which my better half is not very fond of. And here you can see I have my solar controller, which is MPPT. It's midnight solar. Here is my 12 volt charger, manufactured by Sterling Power. This one on the left hand side, and across we have my 12 volt charger, which is manufactured by Pro Mariner. They are basically exactly the same units, different branding, don't know why. The 12 volt one is 60 amps, the 24 volt one is 20 amps. Below that I have my 3 kilowatt non-sine wave Xantrex inverter with remote panel on the front. So I'll go cover the remote panels here in a sec. On the very top I have my midnight solar controller, and as you can see now in this gloomy day, regardless of how dark it's outside, I'll show you a clip in a second, my batteries are still being charged by 13.4 amps, and the voltage in is 70 volts. Below that is the Pro Mariner 12 volt controller. At the current time it's putting 1.4 amps into the vessel. As you can see, most of the load is being handled by the solar at the moment. Below that, here I have my Pro Safe monitor, which monitors shore power when connected. Above that I have my switch, which is selector between shore power and a generator. Above that, this panel shows shore power generator voltage, amps and current power generated. On the very bottom I have a Xantrex Link 1000 remote controller, which gives me the ability to monitor my 24-volt battery, my house battery, which is 12-volt, and currently the current going in and out of the house battery, also the amp hours. Just for reference, I wanted to show you what kind of gloomy day it is today. It's raining in the shipyard, and there is no sun in the sky, clouds everywhere. And I'll show you my panels here, my panel setup. There it is. It's 4 300 watts monocrystalline panels, that 2 of each is connected in series, and 2 pairs are connected in parallel in this box. And this is my setup. Today we covered some of the electrical systems on motor vessel SeaWitch, and if you like the content, please subscribe and add down in the comments what else would you like to see. I'm here for another couple of weeks, so I should be able to produce some videos explaining multiple systems that I have on the motor vessel SeaWitch that allow me to cross the Pacific in 2018, and had a lot of fun on the way. So please subscribe, let me know again what you would like to see. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you again. Bye bye.